Out of over 200 recognized dog breeds in America, only one has beaten out every single other breed for 4 years straight. And it's not the Labrador. It's not the German Shepherd. It's a dog most people wrote off as just a trendy apartment pet. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which 5 breeds Americans are obsessed with in 2026. And trust me, breed number 1 is going to surprise you. Stick around, because I'm saving the most shocking stat for the very last breed on this list. Before we dive in, if you're a dog lover, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell right now, because we're about to count down 5 of the most loved dogs in the country, using official 2026 American Kennel Club registration data. Drop a comment telling me your breed before we start.
Good boy!
Let's see if you called it.
That is
Okay, let's get into it. Every year, the American Kennel Club, the oldest and largest purebred dog registry in the U.S., tallies up how many puppies of each breed get registered nationwide. It's basically the Billboard Hot 100, but for dogs. And the 2026 rankings based on 2025 registration numbers just dropped, and they reveal a lot about how American life is changing. More people living in apartments, more city dwellers wanting low-maintenance companions, and some seriously surprising comebacks. Let's count down from 5 to 1. Dachshund. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Dachshund. And this is actually huge news, because this is the first time in over 2 decades that the wiener dog has cracked the top 5, bumping the poodle down to number 6. So why the sudden surge? Dachshunds are small, they don't need a backyard, and they've become social media royalty. Those short legs and long bodies are basically made for viral videos. But don't let the goofy look fool you. Dachshunds were originally bred in Germany to hunt badgers underground. So they're stubborn, alert, and surprisingly fearless for their size. They're loyal to their people almost to a fault. Expect some separation anxiety if you leave them alone too long. Best for apartment dwellers, singles, and families who want a big personality in a small package. German Shepherd. Coming in at number 4, the German Shepherd, a breed that's been a top American favorite for generations, and for good reason. These dogs are the total package. Intelligence, loyalty, trainability, and enough athleticism to do practically any job you throw at them. Police K-9 units, search and rescue service dogs, military work. If there's a demanding job that needs a dog, chances are a German Shepherd is doing it somewhere in America right now. But here's the catch. German Shepherds need a job. They're working dogs at heart, and without enough mental and physical stimulation, that giant brain of theirs will find its own job. And you probably won't like it. Chewed furniture, escape attempts, you name it. Give them purpose, though, and you get one of the most devoted companions on the planet. Best for active families, first-time owners willing to train consistently, and anyone wanting a dog that genuinely feels like a protector. Golden Retriever. Number 3 is the dog basically everyone pictures when they think family dog. The Golden Retriever. Friendly, patient, gentle with kids, and famous for that permanent doggy smile. Goldens were originally bred in Scotland to retrieve waterfowl during hunts, which is exactly why they've got that soft mouth and love for carrying things around in their jaws, including, very often, your shoe. What keeps Goldens near the top of America's heart every single year is their temperament. They're rarely aggressive, they get along with other pets, and they genuinely seem to enjoy being around people. That said, they shed a lot and they need real daily exercise, or that easygoing energy turns into an easily bored energy. Best for families with kids, first-time dog owners, and anyone who wants a dog that treats every stranger like a long-lost friend. Labrador Retriever. And now we're at number 2, the Labrador Retriever. Now here's a stat that's genuinely wild. The Lab held the number 1 spot for 31 straight years. 3 decades of total dominance. That only ended in 2022 when a much smaller, much snootier competitor finally dethroned it, and we'll get to that dog in just a second. Labs remain endlessly popular because they check every box. Friendly, food-motivated, and therefore easy to train, great with kids, great with other dogs, and versatile enough to be a hunting companion, a guide dog, or just your couch buddy. They're basically the Golden Retriever's slightly more athletic cousin. If Labs have a flaw, it's that they'll eat literally anything and need serious daily exercise to avoid packing on weight. Best for active households, families, and anyone who wants a classic, do-everything American dog. French Bulldog. And the #1 most popular dog breed in America, for the 4th year in a row, is the French Bulldog. I know, for a country that loved Labradors for 3 straight decades, this still catches people off guard. But the numbers don't lie. Frenchies have climbed the rankings for over a decade, going from 14th place back in 2012 all the way to the very top by 2022, and they haven't let go since. So what's the secret? Frenchies are basically engineered for modern American life. They're small enough for a studio apartment, they don't need long runs or a backyard, and their short, low-maintenance coat makes grooming easy. Add in that unmistakable bat-eared face, a goofy, affectionate personality, and a surprisingly calm temperament indoors, and you've got a dog that fits perfectly into the city-dwelling, apartment-renting reality that more and more Americans live in. There's a real trade-off, though, and it's worth knowing before you fall for those ears. French Bulldogs are a brachycephalic, or flat-faced, breed. That means they can struggle to regulate their body temperature and breathe efficiently, especially in heat or humidity, and they're prone to some serious health issues. They also tend to come with a bigger price tag than most breeds, partly because many can't even give birth naturally. So while Frenchies win on personality and convenience, they need an owner ready for extra vet visits and a lot of care around hot weather. So there you have it, America's top 5 dogs for 2026. French Bulldog, Labrador Retriever, Golden Retriever, German Shepherd, and the Dachshund, which just cracked the top 5 for the very first time ever. One quick reminder before you go. These rankings are based on AKC registrations, not on temperament tests or trainability. So most popular doesn't always mean best fit for you. The right dog is about your lifestyle, not the leaderboard. If you enjoyed this countdown, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments. Did your dog make the list? And if you want me to break down the full top 10, or do a video on the most popular mixed breeds in America, drop a comment and I'll make it happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.